guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel, Jodi and Tricky. And today we're going to be getting ready.
Me shame.
You shame?
Yeah.
Alright.
I even have a little lotion.
No, me neither. Popped up my hair.
I don't even have a lip gloss.
So we're gonna get ready.
I don't know why we have to look like this.
We're gonna show you what our different methods of getting ready. Spritz.
Well, first of all, let me show you my makeup. Everything fits in this bag, and then this is my Spice makeup brushes that I got for Christmas from my pixie, who was my sister. Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya.
Spice, don't sing that. Okay.
Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya. So,
but I have a big light. The light is blocking me. I can't even see what I'm doing.
Joe, I feel like you do this every day. Do you really need this what you're doing? Look how the melasma coming up on my face. And you see it on my cheek?
Yeah, not bad, but
It's not bad. I can't wait for it to go away though. God. Yesterday I was passing the mirror and I saw it and I was like, loud. Yeah. And then I wondered if Scott's friend was over and Scott was cooking for him. Guess what he was cooking?
Fish.
Guess what type?
Ginger scallion?
Yeah. It's like the one dish that Scott knows.
There
how to
is
cook.
not enough ginger and scallion.
I don't even eat it anymore. Like I can't because it's too much. I can't manage that flavor. Like, ugh. And I used to love it. And anything else Scott do me love. But anyway, I just put on a little lotion.
I am going to go in now. I bought this foundation the other day, but I don't love it, so I'm just trying to finish it.
So this look is a professional look. And you see all of these moles on me here. I'm showing the YouTube.
Oh.
All of these dots, those are from pregnancy too. I never used to have that hair. My skin used to clean and clear and out of control.
And under control.
Under control. So I just use this.
What is that?
I love when they do that.
Me too.
This is the Sotheby's Hydra Matte Fluid for oily, greasy skin.
What's that, makeup?
It's a lotion that I got from Gaetan at Blow by Blow. So it's supposed to like mattify your face.
I want some of that.
So I just use it as my primer. But I can also, sometimes if I go in
I put on
on...
my sunblocks and stuff already.
I didn't put on any sunblock. I forgot them.
But you can, when you finish, I have a sunblock setting spray that you can use.
Okay. Oh, this chair is squeaky.
Yeah, but it's always my chair. Like I get this squeaky chair.
Do you think you think my face has gotten fat with pregnancy?
I want like a ponytail lift. I want a face lift.
I keep telling you where I want to go. Since I didn't have a baby shower, I feel like that's what you should give me. a trip to LA. Let's go to consultant clinic.
Wait, there's something in my eye.
Love how I took that mirror out to use it and now you're on it.
Wait, I'm putting my eye there. Yeah, I'm just working like so far away from the mirror.
I don't find you need the mirror to like beat your face with that little ball out and you miss the spot.
You see? Exactly. Because I can't see. I'm having some real hyperpigmentation problems though.
How come?
I will always be battling melasma and hyperpigmentation. My melanocytes are just out of control. Just keep.
What did doctor say about it?
I go tomorrow actually. I think I have to go a depigmentation cube. It's annoying because I have to wear it the whole day, but it really does help.
It does?
Yeah.
She did a thing on me, you know. And I found out it worked, but that was before pregnancy, so I don't know what she's gonna do to me after pregnancy. So I put my tape on, as you guys can see, and then I go in with my number one tool, makeup tool that I use, which is this little finger here. That's the reason why I don't like to keep my nails long. And I just do so. When I went to hairdressing school, they used to say, your eyes and hands are your best tools. Actually, I had a Jamaican teacher at hairdressing school. I went to hairdressing school in Canada, and I had a Jamaican teacher. And I'll never forget at Easter time, Mommy sent me bun and cheese. So I took it to school and sliced it up and gave everybody in my class bun and cheese, including my Jamaican teacher. And I was like a hero for her. Okay, that seems to be evenly applied. Let me clean the finger on Jodi's tissue. And then I'm gonna go in with so my sister-in-law, her name is Brianna. She actually felt sorry for me and my lack of makeup, so she gave me this Take Me on Vacation palette by one of the Kardashian girls, Kylie. And where's my mic?
I was waiting for you to start coming over here to use my stuff. I'm just waiting for it.
I actually haven't even used these brushes yet. They might get a buzz today.
They're good.
They're very
good.
I just didn't want to use them because I thought, you know, I wasn't good enough for them. But now I want everybody on YouTube to feel say, Spice, I'm rich, I'm make it. So I'm gonna take this brush. Then I'm gonna take a color from here. Well,
people love your cooking videos.
they do.
Yeah.
I'm so happy for that because, like, I really,
But they love them.
I'm so happy. Okay, so I put a nude on, so that I put a nudie color on, and I put that up at the top here, just because I'm wearing makeup, so I put that on to cover up the concealer. And then on my lid, I'm gonna put like a more peachy color, that one, just because I'm wearing makeup. But I'm so happy that they like it because my dishes are really not.
Well, I see that you got a couple dislikes on the last video with the Mediterranean chicken, but I think that's just because Jamaican people don't like that white looking chicken.
They hate it.
They
They
hate that
hate it.
white
They
looking
hate it.
chicken.
And
When I
then-
saw the dislikes, I was like, yo, it's the chicken.
Fitz definitely put a dislike on it.
I was like, yo, it's because the chicken don't brown, you know?
It's true, it's true. But I even said it in the video. I was like, yo, you guys are not going to like this. But they don't like white chicken. But it tastes good. It tastes like,
You know what? It doesn't look very appetizing.
no.
But
But it's super quick. It's like you cannot beat that. You come home from a long
you
way.
use
bro.
a non-stick pan. Why it came up so and you had the marinade in there as well.
Yeah.
So it's not gonna
No.
it's not gonna fry up to a color.
No. But guess what? I'm going to make a comeback with my shepherd's pie.
Girl, do it.
Do it, girl. With my shepherd's pie.
Do it, girl. was like, damn, this is the most disliked trace has ever gotten.
How much was it?
I think 5 when I last looked. Because you're gonna automatically get the 2 people that dislike me all the time. You're gonna get those because you're still on my channel.
Yeah.
Right? And then 3 people. Well, one was Fitz.
One was definitely
One was Fitz.
Yeah.
And then
I can't
2
blame them,
others
though.
that were like.
But the chicken tastes good, you know, and it tastes liney.
You need
and
to
it's
find
so
out
nice.
who dislike the video and be like, can I invite you over for dinner? I'd like to change
Yes.
it. And then make them come into your house and see how you
That's a
cook
good
the
idea.
chicken so they
girl.
can smell. And then they're like, white chicken. And then when they taste it, they're like, all right, cool.
Yeah, that's a good idea, Joe.
Then you can redeem yourself.
It does taste really good, though.
But you know what? People who dislike your video will never show themselves. You know why?
Why?
It's probably like one of your really good friends.
You think so?
Yeah.
I don't really have that many friends. Is it you?
No. I like the video. I like it.
But let me call Tiffany.
Sometimes I feel like some of the people that make some of the most horrible comments or like do certain things are people that aren't you, like people that are your friends and they're like secretly, you know, or the pages, like the false pages. So, you know, there was a time where you killed me dead. I swore that
Yeah.
was behind a page.
Oh, for real?
Yes. Like, yo, what the heck?
You lie.
Always be
I
your
want to know
friend
who
them
is.
and come stabbing at your back. It's always your friend them. Always.
Well, I mean, remember, I was a hairdresser for 16 years and I can count the amount of people who came and did their hair with me. And then there were the friends that came and had no money or needed a discount and all of these things, and I gave it to them. And then I've never like gotten like a one of them do, you know, like half of them don't even talk to me anymore. And this time when they came to do their hair with me, they were like, oh Trey, can I get a discount or whatever? Or I don't have any money, can I get it for free? Or, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And I was like, oh sure, and I gave them because I was like, yes, these are my friends. And then look at me now.
Ooh, welcome to Uptown Dish. Could you stop using my piece of paper towel? Wait, get the paper. There's a whole roll over there. Fine, use it. So annoying.
Somebody had to prepare for all of these children you're having.
I mean, all these children. I started off 2.
Remy is so cute.
3 if you count Sean. Remy's in big trouble.
What she did now?
She bit the little boy again.
Again?
Yes. No, this was twice now that I know of. She bit him.
Yeah, but we had the family meeting about the second time.
She's in big trouble.
But you put her in punishment when she came home that second time.
No, you see, the second time was yesterday and she went to the doctor. So it was very confusing. Like, I didn't want her to confuse going to the doctor, getting an injection, doctor's a bad place, and she get beat. So yesterday was a little bit weird with punishment.
Oh.
But I cussed her off this morning. I said, Remy, if you go to school today and bite, you're going to be in big trouble. And she started quiver the lip. The lip quiver for about 20 seconds. It's like, I don't get embarrassed very easily, right? And it's always your damn kids that do things to embarrass you. Like when she was biting, I'm like,
Seb, though, he's so sweet.
he's so sweet.
I think she likes him.
You think so? I think so too.
She must. And you know, so she bad already, so that's why she said she like you.
But she better unlike him and stop biting him. Very sad.
Oh gosh.
I cut my eyebrows last night. Why do I feel like this mirror has like a... Oh! Whoa! I can see clearly now the film is gone.
Wow, Jodi, half of that palette is like dug out and used out, and it's just now you're unfilming.
That is wonderful. Wow. It's such a great little mirror too. Well, I usually use the mirror you're using, so that's why I've never had to take off the film. I have some coffee jitters right now.
Oh gosh, I miss coffee so much. I loved coffee jitters. Just feeling like here.
I loved when I was
It's
those.
like a legal high. Oh, maybe I shouldn't have said that. So then I take my NYX Epic Ink Liner. This is professional. And then I just draw a line. Remember that time Scott did my makeup for me?
I don't remember how it looked, but I do remember he did makeup.
So I use a tape because I find when you use a tape, like it's hard to mess up. Oops, I just messed up
I can see clearly now the film.
Did you call Scott?
Oh shoot, no. After this, we'll go on break. I'll call him.
Mommy needs to call him to, No, I cannot believe Mommy at Sunday dinner though. So we're at Sunday dinner and I'm like, wow, Daddy, the meat tastes good. Okay, every Sunday my father cooks. My father is not the best chef. My father is not the best chef. Damn! Like,
Oh gosh, I hope he doesn't watch this.
I hope he does. Maybe he will start using some seasonings.
Stop it, Tracy. He doesn't taste very well because of all the cigarette smoking.
So anyway, sometimes it's hit, sometimes it's miss, right? But we went up there this Sunday and it was a hit. He made the, what was it called?
It's called corned beef, but it's like
It's a New York Irish. Yes, it's from the, because we had this fight yesterday, Saturday night. It started with the Irish people in
another
New
tin
York.
corned beef.
No, it's just boiled beef, like salted boiled beef, right? Anyway,
I think the condiment is what makes corned beef though.
piccalilli.
When you have the piccalilli, yeah, the piccalilli is really good.
So anyway, so it was really good on Sunday, right? And so I was like, oh Dad, like great job with the corned beef. It tastes so good, right? Now my mother loves Scott. My mother loves Scott like I feel her own son, right? Hear her now? What was it?
Well, I think it has a lot to do with the person who carves the meat.
Yes.
It's all about how you cut the meat. When we're looking at who cut the meat, Sister Scatter.
I cut the meat.
I'm like, I find it has a lot to do with the actual piece of meat, the way it's cooked, not in like 2% of the way it's cooked.
Yes, if you have to cut with the grain. And I find that Scott did a great job at cutting on the grain.
Oh my God! Wow!
Then Scott, watch him now. Just
Scott's
smiling.
cheesing. Just cheesing
I
away.
was like, okay.
Nothing to do with it. Nah.
Anyway, don't make me let out Nana when she did Nana and Sean. When she did favoritize Sean. You remember that?
Yes.
That's funny. Oy, okay.
So this is basically a boring video of us just getting ready with our banter. Wow. Wonderful.
I don't know.
We haven't done a video together in a while.
You're still rubbing powders on your face?
I have a very big face.
I feel like I'm finished.
Good. I need the mirror. I have to go in with some eyeliner and I can't the eyeliner so far away. You should, when you're putting that on, like put a little, like take off some of the stick by putting it on your hand a few times.
And then I put on, okay, so usually I don't wear, do you wear liquid every day?
No, but I'm trying to finish that one that I bought online. I don't love it. And I usually use a powder. I usually use my MAC Fix. a day, but I'm trying to finish that liquid.
Oh, I don't use a liquid every day.
No. But some people look really good with a liquid and they just rub it on. Good to go.
But I just rub my liquid on too.
Good to go?
Yeah.
Oh, your eyeliner looks like you are driving, eh?
I mean,
Nothing.
it looks bad.
It just looks like, you know, Herman the Worm. There's none in the corner. Like, I don't even know why he put on the tape because the line is so far from where the tape would have been anyway.
What do you mean?
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because
Hold on, you putting on the foundation now? That's a real white woman color, eh?
It is not. It's for brownies.
And it's a yellow?
Why you ever bad me up? It's not like yours is any different.
I find that this and this are two completely different colors.
Really, Joe? Really, Joe?
Yes,
really,
yes,
Joe?
Trey. Yes, Trey.
Let me use that one.
What?
Your
Your foundation?
The one that you're trying to finish. Power Fabric. That's the name of it.
Can I borrow this mirror a second? You look in the big mirror. I'm going to put on my eyeliner.
Well, this is how I put on my foundation.
You don't want a little sponge to
Beat my face?
No? You think that's where the saying came from?
Face beat? Definitely. But I just don't understand. It's power logic. No, my friend is much better than this.
I just ordered a Fenty and I used the color guide on Sephora.
Yeah, Fenty is so good with their colors though. Like, I mean, my Fenty matches my skin flawlessly.
What kind of coverage is it?
Full.
Really?
Yeah.
I never tried the Fenty because every time I go into Sephora, I already have on makeup. And then I like my full coverage, foundation. So I just never thought to try it.
Yeah, if I wear my Fenty, I don't have to even put concealer on under my eyes.
But I'm trying it now because I'm like, alright.
Like with my Fenty, you can't even see my melasma.
Yeah?
But it's lightweight, so it's really cool.
Oh, really? I can't wait till mine comes. I actually think it's...
I love it.
Don't pick it up.
I love Rihanna though. Why don't you try J-Lo's line?
I don't.
Why? I love her.
It's expensive, you know.
Dude, I mean, this is why I keep going back to Kim Kardashian. And you know, everybody thinks like I'm a super Kardashian fan. I'm not. I just think her stuff are reasonably priced and they're nice. You know, like,
Why? What from Kim Kardashian are you using on your face?
I just use the Kylie stuff.
Kylie and Kim are two different people.
I'm sure they go to the same makeup manufacturer. I'm actually positive. You think you're not gonna give each other the hook up on that?
I'll never give you my...
Kim, please!
No. Get your own lipstick maker.
You're so mean. I just want to have a makeup line as well.
You just won't let me. Just let me do my makeup, okay? Just let me do this. Just let me have this one thing. Just let me have this one
You
thing.
know, because of you, I have a complex in my life, and I've been trying to be you all my life.
If it wasn't for me, you wouldn't be you.
Well,
Okay,
you know,
and this one is from KK Beauty, and this is, oh my god, this is so nice. It's going on so beautiful and natural, and I love it. Northie!
so what is happening? Is she and Kanye breaking up or what?
I think so, but he seems like he's hard to deal with. Like, I think he has...
Because she's a breeze.
Yeah, but you can't have two people that are hard to deal with, Tracy.
I find you and Sean are doing just fine.
Sean is hard to deal with.
I mean, in his own ways, yeah. Everybody has their isms and schisms. I don't think I'm easy. I would never say to anybody, oh, I'm easy.
I'm definitely not easy to deal with, but I'm easier to deal with than Sean. Sean is easier to deal with than me.
But he's more laid back and easygoing than you. That's for sure.
Well, I'm definitely the crazy one in a relationship. But that's what keeps the spice alive.
I don't think anybody noticed that you were crazy.
Yeah.
Don't think anybody doubted that at all, my baby.
Alright, what do I want to put on my face next?
My neighbor Mason,
Yeah.
her daughter Emily, is in love with me.
Why she don't make, well, I don't want her to make porridge for me, but when is she next going to cook?
She making porridge this weekend, yeah.
Oh, I don't want porridge.
I bought the harmony corn.
I'll taste it.
So
I'll
good.
probably kill it with sugar.
Oh no, she makes it nice and sweet. She makes it best.
Yeah, but you have to sprinkle the brown sugar on top so
Mason
that it adds a
makes it
crunch.
best. Mason
Okay,
makes it
okay,
best.
okay.
And then her daughter Emily, she has like little bit of words like Remy, right? But one of her words is Tracy.
You lie.
No, she love me. Tracy!
Aww.
I said, hi Emily. She love me. When Mason was coming home late from work last night, so I went downstairs and got Emily and took her upstairs to my house. And Emily sat down there and she had dinner with us. We
Oh.
sat there. And so she said, hot. That's Scott. So Scott looked at her and Scott goes, yes, Emily? She like didn't know.
Whoa.
I was like, approval. Hot.
The nod of approval.
Oh gosh. Sweet bad man. Sweet.
So it's sports day on Friday for the kids. Do you think that I could try and weasel my way into the school using my friend links, or do you think I should stand opposite the road and climb on the roof of my car?
Definitely opposite the road on the roof of the car. Because you can't use friend links, that's unfair.
That's true. That's
unfair. So
But I just find that in these, especially these corona times, everybody's using
I'm
their
going to use this.
links to do and get what they want, and nobody's being punished.
but that's not just because everybody crossing the fire barefoot don't mean say your foot not going burn off.
True.
You must always do the right thing no matter what. Unless it's lemon meringue pie and the last slice that was supposed to be for your younger brother and you just eat it.
I didn't eat it.
I did.
Oh. He doesn't even like lemon meringue pie.
That's what I say too.
He was upset? He didn't even know.
You know to me.
Alright, let's see. What else do I need to do? I'm hungry. You finished using my foundation?
Yeah, it was sucky.
I didn't like it either. The one that we are denouncing is the Giorgio Armani Power Fabric, and the color is 6.5. It gets a 0.1.
I just didn't like it. You're gonna have to come good if you're trying to beat Rihanna.
I can't wait till my Rihanna one reaches. You know when you're like, oh, I found the best something in the world, I'll always use it, and then eventually after a while you get sick of it.
Yeah, you do.
So I do have like a
That's how I felt
foundation.
about you. I felt I had the best sister in the world. I got sick of you, so I moved to Barcelona.
What's your sister? Sure.
Yo, when Jodi finally reunited with me in Barcelona, she comes and she's like dressed from like Prada head to toe or Louis Vuitton or whatever brand name she has, right? And I'm there, my hair is like long down to my ass.
Struggling.
It was not straggly. I didn't wear makeup the whole entire time I was in Barcelona. I had on like a big white t-shirt with my bikini underneath because it's a beach town, right? And I lived on the beach. And
She had to walk to the beach. She doesn't need to go to the beach.
dude, it was like walking from top Manor Park to bottom Manor Park.
And I remember the distance being a little further because I sweated on the way there.
So anyway, and then she looks at me from head to toe. She goes, oh my God, how poor are you?
Tracy, I mean, it was just like I'd never like seen you that run down before. See, we just earned another dislike right there. Somebody's like, see what I'm going, see what I'm going, I like it.
What? What's not to like? I don't know. I remember that they didn't have like good toothpaste over there. So I was like, but you drank so much wine that you needed good toothpaste, like a whitening toothpaste.
To get
And I was like, yo, I don't understand this. No wonder Europeans have like mashed up teeth.
Especially the Brits. I think it's because of their water. Their water doesn't have any fluoride. We have gone 31 minutes chatting crap, but I do think that, you know, I've done my makeup in a good amount of time. I was trying to finish that highlight. I don't know if I love it. You know.
Which one?
It's a Laura Mercier. So, you know what's really cool? So of late, I've been using like a setting spray because you know you put on your mask and stuff like that, so you use a setting spray for your makeup. I always thought that setting sprays were for like carnival, so you can keep your makeup on point. I'm actually gonna go back in with this highlighter. I just got this on the weekend. It's more rainbowish.
Is this the highlighter you bought in your haul the other day when I stole the sunblock from you?
Yeah. Oh, it's like my hallway. Oh, side of my face is like shining off.
I can't wait to shoot this baby out and get my skin back. Like, I honestly never thought that I would be so bothered by my skin being so
You're almost done.
discolored. I can't wait. Honestly, I can't wait. Like, I was just talking to this girl on the internet last night, and she's pregnant, so she messaged me to say, like, you know, she's pregnant and whatever, and she's having morning sickness because I was open about my morning sickness.
Dream lover, come rescue me. Take me home, take me out, take me anywhere but KFC, my love. I need it so desperately. Won't you please come around? Cause I want to share my bevel with you. My bevel?
Oh, but I hated these words though.
Baby.
You look good, Joe.
Don't do put my down. Wow, 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 baby. Dream. Give me a song in my key, in my tone. Because I can sing, but I just don't know. I just need a better song.
Jesus loves the little children.
Jesus loves the little children. Oh, like I'm so like Ariana Grande, Mariah Carey vibe right now.
You look really good, yeah.
I can see why they like this bang shit. Ooh, 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 ooh. Tony Matola. Live down the road. Oh, wait. Sorry. Lips too plain. Lips too plain. What we gonna do? What we gonna do?
He lost his lady 2 months ago.
I want something bright.
Maybe he'll find her. I forgot my stuff to do my lips.
Maybe he won't.
I'm wondering.
I'm just waiting for you to come over here in my makeup stuff. If you are still watching this video, thanks for being here. We are over half an hour in. Oh,
But Henriques is going to edit it. It's not going to be like a full hour. Half hour.
the foundation is even creasing already. It's creasing on our nose crease.
It's so... I don't like it. Imagine we go outside and it's going to melt off.
Why are we going outside?
We have to go and pick up the stuff from Lady B.
Oh, yeah.
yeah, this. I don't know if I can go to Lala's thing on Friday, you know.
Why?
Because remember, it's Scott's birthday too. So Lala's birthday is like one day, then Scott's is the next day, and so Scott wants to do a sushi dinner with his family.
Okay.
That's a Lala.
Let me hear the playback.
But Scott hasn't confirmed sushi dinner with his family yet. So I don't want to tell her no.
No, can you fix the bass? Oh my gosh. Thank you all so much for being here tonight. Ow, this hurts.
I was wondering how you're managing.
Thank you. All my people here. I love you all so much. You're so sweet, my fanitas.
Can you please pass me?
You guys are amazing. I wouldn't be here without you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my gosh.
Please pass me a lip liner and a lipstick.
Baby, he won't.
Mariah!
What?
Can you get me a lip liner and lipstick, please?
What color you want?
You know.
Matches your dress.
Thank you. Sometimes you wake up in the night and like you're living here, but like you think you're back at.
That happened to me just last week, but it doesn't happen very often. Like I don't really dream or have like, you know, like I don't wake up in the night. Like even when I was pregnant, I was not waking up to baby. Like, that's not happening.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Hi guys, thank you all so much for coming today to my show. You all mean so much to me. DJ, track. It's like all of her songs are like escaping my memory right now. Mariah Carey, Merry Christmas. Wow. Mario, come fix this.
You remember when we were actually on her set singing?
We had our own show. We should do a YouTube. That's what we should have been talking about for the past 40 minutes.
I feel like we talked about other stuff. Yo, why was mommy so savage in the family group chat last night? I was like, okay.
Album cover, here I come. Baby, I look like one of those dogs. You know?
Oh, I thought you were gonna say doll, but you know.
Them dog, they will always have them hair cover. Foreign dog, Jamaica mongrel in Canada.
I just find it's a lot with that going there, and I find if you're gonna do that, it needs to be like that.
Asymmetric, bitches.
The band is so heavy though.
But wait.
Yeah, put it behind the ear, yeah.
It's not a bang, this is a bayang.
It's not a bang.
Oh.
Doobie-doobie-doo-doo-doo.
Oh. I'm nobody's backup singer. Dream of a
I want to be a singer too. Who do I look like?
Take me anywhere but KFC.
I'll be Taylor Swift.
Well, then you'll definitely win the Grammy.
I know, eh?
Alright,
guys.
Thank you so much for getting ready with us and just spending the past 10 hours of your life learning and doing absolutely nothing. Thank you, baby.
You're good looking like me. Look at me. You're handsome like me. I'm a mascot. Circus you want to go.